Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaustup here back with another video. And guys, in this video I'll be talking about why I personally bought the OneOdio Pro 10 studio monitoring headphones. So OneOdio is a new brand in the Indian market, and in this video I'll be talking completely extensively about these headphones, whether you should buy or not. So do watch the complete video till the end, and also guys, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and also turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming content. With that being said, let's roll the intro and let's get the video started. So firstly guys, talking about the design and the build quality of these headphones guys, as you can see in the video, they look really premium, and they just don't look premium, they are actually really premium to hold in the hand as well. But one thing I didn't like is with the comfort. Then the ear pad cushion material which has been used is made of fake leather sort of. So if you use it like me, something for like 3 to 4 hours heavily, then your ears might start sweating. I didn't experience any sort of fatigue. I only experienced fatigue in the initial days when it was brand new. The headband was pretty tight on the ears, but other than that, now it has taken the shape of my head and it has adjusted, so it is really comfortable in that sense. Then next thing is with the drivers. So as you guys can see, these ear cups, they look really huge, and they have a 50 mm driver inside of them, which is a really big deal, because for someone like me who is upgrading from a budget category headphones. So just for context guys, I used to use the Sony MDR XB450 headphones. Those were pretty good, I used to think, but now after upgrading to this, I was just mind blown to see the quality of these headphones. They are just really mind blowing. The sound quality is really out of the park. Next thing is with the level of adjustment that this headphones provides. So this can be completely adjusted. The ear cups rotate in 90 degrees swivel design, and they can be also completely folded on the inside, as you can see, and it becomes really easy to carry in this small pouch as well. Also, another thing I would like to point out is the small details, like the left and right written inside the ear cups, as well as this 4 screws near the main joint. Just it really gives you that premium feeling and a sense of security, or I should say reliability, because they won't easily break. I hopefully it doesn't happen. So that's there. Other than that, these cushions, they are really soft and comfortable, as I already said, and also you can see the metal band present, which is there to make it more strong and flexible. Also on the top of this headband, you can see the OneOdio branding and this red contrast stitching. This is just phenomenal guys. The design of this headband is really something which I was instantly sold out after just looking at this design. This looks so good. Like I didn't expect this sort of a headband. So headband is also really good enough. Secondly, talking about the connectivity guys, then here we get 2 cables inside of the box. The first one is a 3.5 mm cable which has an inline mic on it with a button on it for receiving calls or skipping tracks. And the other one is a 6.35 mm coiled cable in red color, which looks really good and is about 2 to 3 meters in length for professional use. On the bottom of the headphones of both ear cups, we get 2 ports. One is the 3.5 mm standard audio jack, and the other one is a 6.35 mm jack, which is really great to see. And you can connect these headphones to a DJ mixer or any professional audio equipment, and you can use it adapter free. So that's a great thing to see in a budget headphone. Another great thing, or the main USP of this headphone, is the SharePort technology that this provides. So what this SharePort technology basically does is that you can easily connect another headphone to this OneOdio headphone, as you can see in the video, and listen simultaneously to one single track on both headphones. So this is really great for audio monitoring, or studio monitoring I should say. And another great way to use this headphone is by doing single set audio monitoring. So you can rotate any one of the ear cups completely by 90 or 180 degree and listen to only a one ear cup or one sided. Finally, coming to the sound quality aspect of this review guys, then sound quality is mainly important for any headphones. Then to describe the sound quality of this OneOdio Pro 10 headphones guys, I just only have one word, and that is mind-blowingly phenomenal. They sound so good, like so good. You guys have to believe me for that. But they sound really good. I was thoroughly impressed by the sound quality that these headphones provide, and this is mainly because they are studio monitoring, or DJ headphones I should say. And another thing is that for a guy like me who is coming from a budget category Sony headphone, which has a lot of bass, like in budget headphones usually you get a lot of overpowering bass, but with this one the bass didn't feel any like overpowering at all. Like it has sufficient amount of bass. It kicks in at the right time. And also talking about the vocals, then then vocals are also pretty crystal clear. I really like those as well. So I'm not an audio expert by any means, guys. This is what I personally felt, so I've talked it in the video. And also guys, I had compared it with the Audio Technica M50 and the M40X, which cost way more. Like they cost about 9 to 10,000 rupees here in India, and one of my friend had it, so I just compared it with this headphone. And guys, you have to believe me, the sound quality is almost as good as those headphones. Like, you have to believe me guys for that. Like, they cost so expensive, like 9 to 10,000 rupees headphone, and this is a 2,300 rupees headphone. So sound quality is that good. And yes, overall I'm just really impressed by the headphones, and if you're planning to go for one, just go for it. Lastly guys, the main point is pricing. Then I bought it from Amazon India for about 2,300 Indian rupees, and guys, this is the most value for money headphones you can buy right now in the market. Like, you have to trust me. Like, if you want any headphone in this budget category, just blindly go for them is what I would say. They sound so good, like so good, I didn't expect it. They have exceeded my expectations, and they are the most value for money headphones you can go for. Also guys, inside the box you get this Amazon voucher of 50 rupees, which you can redeem as well. So that's one good thing by OneOdio. So kudos to them for making such a brilliant product. So guys, that's about it for this short and simple video. And if you seem to like this video, then please do drop a like down below, and also do get subscribed to my channel for more awesome content. This is your boy Kaustubia from T2 signing off. You guys have a great day.